Next, we are going to cover how to create a folder in your email. So we are in our inbox, and you'll see on the left-hand side, there is the word folders up here. And underneath we have the inbox, junk mail, etc. And underneath we have some folders already that have been made. And this just helps to move emails from your inbox and putting them in a folder on the left-hand side. You're not deleting them, you're just moving them out of your inbox. It helps to keep your inbox clutter-free. So what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, at the bottom of the list, there is a word that says New Folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to left-click on that, and you get a box. And this one is very easy. We're just going to type the name of the folder that you want to create. So I will call it Nature Pictures. And then I'm going to hit my Enter button on your keyboard. And you will notice that there it is, Nature Pictures, and it is alphabetical. So you've created your folder. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move it in an email into our folder. So the simplest way is to left click and hold on to your email. So you're going to click on the name of the person who sent it to you. You're going to left click and you're going to hold it down, and you're going to drag your mouse over to the name of the folder that you want it, and make sure your cursor is on the words, and then you're going to let go. And you do see that there is a notification that it has been moved to Nature Pictures. So you want to find it, you just click on the folder, and there's our email. You just have to click on it, and you will find it there. There it is. Okay, and that is how you create a folder and move an email into the folder.